How's it going, everybody? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Sorry about the quality, but we're on my phone. My GoPro's dead right now, and I'll break it out later. I got it charging. But right now, we're heading off to Monroe, North Carolina, Smith's Tire, and I think the name of it is Smith's Tire and Service. But I'll be sure to post a video and a credit and a link in the video. But let's get there and let's get something taken care of that has been waiting to be taken care of for a while. Beautiful windy day, but it's finally going down. Got them loaded up in the car, and as you can see, the wheels are up there. So let's get to it. Let me tell you what, that was fun. Ooh, oh God. I sat there and I worked till 4, which is my regular time. And then the place I was going to get my tires and wheels mounted at changed the price on me. So I called another place, which I always deal with anyway. I should have just went there to begin with, or thought about going there to begin with. But they're in Monroe, North Carolina. I've been going there for years, getting all my cars inspected and everything. They've never done me wrong. And I always had great service. So I went there again and got them taken care of. I tell you what, getting these tires and wheels for this car, for some reason, everything, it's like the universe has conspired against me to get them. I bought the wheels. I actually sold something to get the wheels, no problem. I didn't mind doing that. And then I needed the tires. Well, I said I'll buy a tire or two a month until I get them, 2-3 months max. Oh no. Here we are almost a year later from me buying the actual wheels. God almighty, one thing after another. It's been ridiculous. But you don't want to hear all that. You want to see the goodies. So let me get you turned around. Show you exactly what's going on. There you go, right there. No difference, huh? You're correct. Because it took me longer to get done today what I needed to do. I made it there in time. I got home, and like I said, after waiting almost a year to get them, I got there. Well, I got home. They told me if I was there by 5, they could get it taken care of because they closed at 5:30. And I made it. I got home, I got my wheels, I got my tires, I threw the valve stems in the rims real quick. Got in the Tahoe, started down the road, ding, 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 ding. No gas. I'm the one that normally puts the gas in the cars, and the wife took the car for a ride today. We drive this most of our time. And if you don't know what this is, it's my 2007 Tahoe. And she is lovely and dirty. But started down the road, ding, 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 ding. I was like, okay, I might as well just turn around and go back to the house. But I didn't. And I'm sorry to keep dragging this on for you guys and gals, but I really got no choice. I was going to bring them home and mount them on the car today, but I decided I've been having to drive it to work, and it rained the other day, so I decided to wait a day or so. I'm going to try to get the car washed up tomorrow, and I want to paint the calipers again. I've painted them one time before, and it's held up really, really well. It's still there, as a matter of fact, but it's a little dirty, so I'm going to clean it up and I'm going to repaint it, and then I'm going to put these on, and then a little later on I'm going to get the drilled and slotted rotors for it, and that'll really set it off because you'll be able to see everything through these wheels. I mean, and there's not much wheel here, to be honest with you. But yeah, I'm not going to be able to do it today. It's late. It's like 6:30 now, so I will see you in a day or so for the rest of the video. Finally have it done. I just got done. Let me show you real quick. Hold on, I know. Just got done painting the calipers. Yeah, I got more on me than I did the car, but whatever. As you can see, here she is. Now for the moment, you and I have all been waiting for, the reveal. Let's get to it. Hope you enjoy. Sorry, officer, wasn't me. There you go. As promised, finally, about a year later. Oh my goodness, but we won't go into all the details. But in case you're wondering what put this shine on this thing, oops, sorry about that. Let me go ahead and tell you. Dyno Wax wash and wax with a coat of Griot's Polywax on top. Tires, compliments of Dyno Wax tire dressing. Goes on not really shiny, not really matte, not really flat, but really a really good look to it. It's not overpowering like if you're looking into a flashlight or anything. As you can see, it makes the tires really look good on the black without taking away from the car or taking away from the wheels. But there you go. That's it. I would like to thank each and every one of you for stopping by on this venture. Now we're on to the next, because I got to get the drilled and slotted rotors for it, and I got to put some new brakes on the front. They're about shot. And then who knows, I'm wanting to do some racing seats on the inside. I'm wanting to do new carpet. I'm thinking about putting my monster tack back in the monster size tack back in the car on the dash. That way I could watch my shift points and everything. Yeah, I know it's an automatic, but still gotta watch those things, right? But just look at it. I mean, I think it has turned out to look really, really good. I think those wheels really set it off. I know a lot of people don't like chrome nowadays. Everybody's black, black, black. I got a black car. I got dark windows. Got to pop somewhere, so why not the wheels? But thanks everybody for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. You know what I say, get out there and enjoy that car like I'm doing. Doesn't matter if you're just washing, driving, whatever, doesn't matter. But by all means, try to keep it clean. Get out there and make that world a brighter place. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. I'm gonna go enjoy this bad boy.